Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. Today we're gonna study new consonant P. P. The pronunciation is P. Ip. Writing 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have learned 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 가나, 다라, 마, 바, 사, 아, 자, 차, 키읔, 갓, 티읕, 타, 파, 피읍. And let's have a look the complete letter. So, P plus A. So we're writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P is P and A is A. So this is pa. Pa. One more time. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 파. 파. Next one. 피읍. So P plus 야. So this is 펴. 펴. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 펴. 펴. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 펴. 펴. Next one, 피읍 plus 어. 어 is EO. So this is 퍼. 퍼. Writing 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 퍼. 퍼. 한 번 더. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 퍼. 퍼. And last one, 피읍 plus 여. So YEO. So this is 펴. 펴. Writing 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 펴. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 펴. 펴. And look at the picture below. So this is same letter. 피읍 plus 아. 파. 파. So 파 is just green onion. Onion. See that green onion? 파. 파. And the round brown onion, you know that? Brown onion look like this. This is just onion. Onion. And this is longer one is green onion. 파. 파. Just onion is in Korean 양파. 양파. Okay? The next one. So 지읒, we learn 지읒. J and E is I, G. 피읍 is P and O is EO. So zipper. Zipper is just zipper. Zipper. Okay? Zipper in Korean is zipper. Zipper. So that's all from me today. Next video, we're gonna learning the last of Hangul. Okay? So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you later, guys. 나중에 봐요.